Hello students. In previous video we learned about the reactions of alkyl halides with active metals. In that reactions we prepared Grignard reagent by using alkyl halide and magnesium metal, and also we study the Wurtz reaction by using alkyl halides and sodium metal. Here today we learn reactions of haloarenes, and in these reactions the first reaction of haloarenes is that reaction with active metals. And here this reaction, that is reaction with active metal, is the extended form of Wurtz reaction, and this extended form of Wurtz reaction is carried by Fittig, and hence this reaction is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In this Wurtz-Fittig reaction, the alkylation of aryl halide is done by using sodium metal. In this reaction, aryl halides and alkyl halides reacts with each other, and sodium metal in the presence of dry ether as solvent, and they gives the substituted aromatic compound as product. I already told that this is the extended form of Wurtz reaction and carried by Fittig. Hence this reaction is known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction. In this reaction haloarene and alkyl halide both reacts with sodium metal in the presence of dry ether as solvent. This is bromobenzene, and this bromobenzene reacts with methyl bromide and sodium metal in the presence of dry ether as solvent. Then the product of this both is substituted aromatic compound. This reaction takes place as like Wurtz reaction. Here this aliphatic part belongs as Wurtz reaction and aromatic part belongs as Fittig reaction. Combinedly this reaction known as Wurtz-Fittig reaction, and they gives the substituted aromatic product. This is toluene or methyl benzene. Actually Fittig reacts or combine only aromatic compounds by using sodium metal like Wurtz, and due to the combination of aromatic compounds we get the product by phenyl, and this reaction called as Fittig reactions. Means when two aromatic compounds combine with each other, or two haloarenes combine with each other by using sodium metal in the presence of dry ether as solvent. They give biphenyl as product. This reaction called as fatigue reaction. The reaction we should write like this. We have 2 moles of chlorobenzene, and these 2 moles of chlorobenzene combines with each other by using sodium metal and dry ether as solvent, and they forms product biphenyl. This is biphenyl, and this reaction is known as fatigue reaction. And when one haloarine and one alkyl halide, when coupled with each other by using sodium metal and dry ether, this reaction called as Wurtz fatigue reaction.